नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, मी राठोड नरेंद्र माणिकराव, जय जवान जय किसान बॉईज मिलिटरी स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज सोलापूर. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपण SCERT महाराष्ट्र पुणे मार्फत सुरू असलेल्या 2021-22 अंतर्गत ब्रिज कोर्स टेस्ट नंबर 1 स्टँडर्ड 10 सब्जेक्ट सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 2 संदर्भात चर्चा करणार आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, हा जो ब्रिज कोर्स टेस्ट नंबर 1 आहे, ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट नंबर 1 ते 5 वरती अवलंबून आहे आणि ही टेस्ट 15 मार्काची असून याला जो वेळ आहे तो आहे 30 मिनिट. स्टेट काउन्सिल फॉर एज्युकेशनल रिसर्च अँड ट्रेनिंग महाराष्ट्र पुणे प्रिपरेटरी सेतू सिलेबस टेस्ट नंबर 1 क्लास 10th subject science and technology part 2, and this test carry 15 marks and is based on the worksheet or activity sheet 1 to 5, and for this 30 minutes time is given. Before starting the exam, some instructions are given here, that are all question must compulsory, draw a neat and label diagram where necessary, the number on the right indicates points or marks. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, पहिला प्रश्न या ठिकाणी विचारलेला आहे बघा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राईट द आन्सर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन in one sentence, and here 5 questions are asked and each question carry 1 mark, so this question carry total 5 marks. पहिला प्रश्न आहे, एका वाक्यात उत्तरे लिहा. 5 प्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत आणि हा प्रश्न 5 मार्कांसाठी आहे, प्रत्येकी 1 मार्क. The first in here, what is heredity? The answer of this question is the transfer of characteristics from parent to offspring is called heredity. Next one question asked here, what are chromosomes mainly made up of? The answer of this question is the chromosomes are made up of DNA, and we all know what is DNA. DNA is the nucleic acid, and basically chromosomes are made up of DNA, diribonucleic acid. Next one question is, give appropriate names to the following chromosomes type. Here 2 types of chromosomes are shown. First one type of chromosome is a metacentric, and second one type of chromosome is a submetacentric. Fourth question, that is, what is excretion? The answer of this question is excretion is the process of throwing out waste products which are harmful for the health. Whatever waste products are produced in the body by the metabolic activities, that product should be taken out from the body, otherwise it make harmful effect on our body, and the process of throwing out waste product from the body is called excretion. Next question, which of the substance that are not used for plant but useful for human beings? The answer is gum, rubber, etc. State true or false. used an artificial device to remove nitrogenous substances from the blood. This process is called dialysis. The answer of this question is true. We know to remove the nitrogenous substances from the blood, the artificial machine is used, and to removing the nitrogenous material from the blood, that process is said to be the dialysis. So what, this statement is a true. Write correlation. 44 plus X, it is Turner syndrome. Then 44 plus XXY, what is? That is Klinefelter syndrome. Next one, 3:1 monohybrid, 9:3, 3:1, that is dihybrid. Write short answer to the following question. 5 questions are asked here and each question carry 2 marks. Give proper name to the following chromosome figure. First one, arm of chromosome, P chromosome, centromer, Q chromosome and DNA. You should observe carefully. Here below is an experiment of Mendel's monohybrid offspring. With the correct answer in the blank space, complete the table. ज्या ठिकाणी ब्लँक दिलेला आहे त्या ठिकाणी योग्य पर्याय लिहायचा आहे आणि हा टेबल आपल्याला पूर्ण करायचा आहे. हा काय दर्शवतो? मेंडल्स एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑफ मोनोहायब्रिड क्रॉस हा दर्शवतो. त्यात फिनोटाइप, जिनोटाइप, गॅमेट्स दर्शवलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट फिलाईल जनरेशनमध्ये काय घडतं? कॅपिटल टी is used for tall, while small t is used for dwarf characters. Their genotypes, capital T and small t, these are the genotypes. Here gametes involved, that is T, that is tall, small t dwarf. Then what happened? Here, as per the instruction, we should complete this table. I show here on the side. याचा तुम्ही अभ्यास करून हा टेबल तुम्ही पूर्ण करायचा आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट ब्रीफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट डाउन सिंड्रोम और Mongolia. Down syndrome is a disorder arising due to chromosomal abnormality. This is the first discovered and described chromosomal disorder in human being. This disorder is characterized by the presence of 47 chromosomes. It is described as a trisomy of the 21 chromosome. Infants with this disorder have one extra chromosome with the 20 pair in every cell of their body. Therefore, they have 47 chromosomes instead of 46. आपल्याला माहिती आहे मानवाच्या शरीरामध्ये किती 46 क्रोमोझोम आहेत, 23 क्रोमोझोमच्या जोड्या आहेत, परंतु या ठिकाणी काय होतं, एक क्रोमोझोम जास्त आहे. मग याचे कॅरेक्टर्स काय आहेत? शॉर्ट लाईफ स्पॅन, मेंटल रिटार्डेशन, शॉर्ट हाइट, शॉर्ट वाइड नेक, फ्लॅट नोज, short finger. Below are some, next question is asked here. Below are some of the characteristics of human beings. Classify them as a effective characters and ineffective characters. Folding tongue, having hair on the hand, non-folding tongue, black curly hair, no hair on the hand, ear sticky lobes, brown and straight hair, loose earlobes. These characters should be classified into effective and ineffective. First of all, effective characters that are folding tongue, having hair on the hand, black curly hair, loose earlobes, and ineffective that are non-folding tongue, no hair on the hand, brown and straight hair, ears sticky lobes. The fifth question, the RNA given in the figure, identify the type. Here two types of RNAs are given and we have to identify type of RNA. The first type of RNA is mRNA, that is messenger RNA, and second type of RNA is tRNA, transfer RNA. The next question is, which organ in human being emit waste products? Skin, anus, urethra are the organs which are responsible for emitting the waste products produced in the body of human being. The next one question is, what is the cause of albinism disorder? Write down the symptoms of this disorder. Albinism is a genetic disorder. In this disease, the body cannot produce melanin and the skin becomes pale, hair are white, and eyes are usually pink due to absence of melanin pigment in the retina and sclera. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.